if you went back 6 months ago, 9 months ago, they thought, tech sector was ultimately going to correct then, right? So, I mean, our view, we're in the midst of a multi-year bull rally for tech. I mean, it's just given the secular growth stories across cloud, cybersecurity, 5G, and really the whole food chain. Obviously, the chip shortage has been an issue, but our view fundamentally is that growth names right here, I think the street's underestimating numbers anywhere from 10 to 15% over the next year or two. So I believe, even though there's some work from home names like Zoom and some others where you'll see normalized growth, and those are ones that obviously will continue to moderate. Overall, we think we're looking at 16,000 NASDAQ when the ball drops in Times Square.
All right, so give us some of the names then that are looking for that exponential growth.
So on large cap, Apple continues to be our favorite. I think they're in the midst of a real clear super cycle where I think iPhone 13 continues to track about, call it 8 to 10% above expectations. Microsoft's our favorite large cap cloud play. That stock's corrected a bit. I see that as a $350, $360 stock from here. Look at areas like cybersecurity, names like Zscaler, Fortinet, Palo Alto, and even Tenable are core plays there. And then names like Matterport and DocuSign as core cloud names. Look, I view it as when these sell-offs happen, it's time to sharpen the pencil and own the winners that you want. In terms of, as you can see forest through the trees, we don't get nervous on a 10-bit move in the 10-year. We focus on the $2 trillion market ahead of us in terms of the cloud and digital transformation.
So Dan, do you buy more when you see a bit of a pullback in these tech stocks?
Oh, I mean, 24 hours ago, I mean, our conversations into late last night with clients was basically, here's the shopping list. This is who you double down on. These are the prices. Because, you're always going to continue to have many yell and fire in a crowded theater, whether it's debt ceiling, 10-year, different types of outbreaks on Delta, anything we've seen really across the board. But I viewed those over the last 18 months, those white knuckle periods are the times to double down on tech, because I believe it's a part of a multi-year rally we're seeing. And as someone like myself that's covered tech for 20 plus years in the street, I don't view this as one where it's stretched valuations and the fundamentals don't support it, like I saw maybe in 99, 2000. I think to the opposite. The fundamental stories, it's what I'll call a fourth industrial revolution that's really happening.